Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon reindeer. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of our page, draw two circles for the eyes. Now we're going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, bend that down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle coming in and then back out. Line that up on the right. And then we're going to add a smaller circle on the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes along the bottom and draw a smaller circle for the nose. Let's go to the center and draw in the mouth, coming down and bending that up toward the left and right side. Let's go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. So from the left, bend this down underneath the mouth, go across and then up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, round out the head, and then bring that down towards the right. Now we're going to add a trim coming down around the mouth. So let's start from the left side of the nose, bend this out and then down, line it up on the right side. Let's add a trim around the eyes. Start from the side of the head, we're going to go up and bend that down on top of the nose. Let's go all the way up towards the top and draw on the ears. So we're going to start on the left, going out, round up the ear, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Now I want to trace the ears along the inside. And then we're going to move in and draw the outside edge of the antlers. Let's start on the left, going out and then up. Let's round out the tip of the antler, bring that down. Now I add a bump coming in. Come in, around, and then back out. Let's continue this curve coming down and in on top of the head. Now we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom and add a curve for the collar, starting on the left, going down and then up. Let's move out to the side and draw the outside edge of the body, going out and then in towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the legs and go straight up. Now we're going to continue up and then out underneath the collar. Let's separate the bottom of the hooves with a straight line. Go in between and draw another line. Now you want to tuck the hind legs in behind. So let's start on the left, going out and then back in. Let's go up to the top, curve the leg going out and then in on top of the feet. Now let's add the tail over on the left side. Start by curving this out and then up toward the tip. Come down and then in. Let's separate the bottom of the tail with a curve. And then underneath the collar in the center, we're going to draw a circle for the bell. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a reindeer. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.